Okay, we're going to make some salsa verde with some jalapeno peppers from my garden, garlic from my garden, white onion, tomatillos from my garden, and some nice hot spicy peppers. Okay, I'm going to can some salsa verde. I'm going to use some poblamos. I'm not very good at saying that. Some jalapeno peppers, garlic, white onion, and tomatillos. The tomatillos and the jalapeno peppers and the garlic is from my garden. And we're going to put salsa in it. And we're going to put it on the grill. And I'll get back to you. Okay, now we have everything on the grill. We're going to get that nice and brown with that flavor, barbecue flavor on it. So, after we're done, I'll get back to you. So now I took all my peppers and my onions and everything and put them in here, and I am going to blend them. I started blending to a nice consistency. So I'll get all this blended.